Welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn all about VPNs and how to use Surfshark VPN, one of the best VPN services today. If you want to try it out, we've added a link in the description below for an amazing offer from this VPN. Let's dive right in. First, what is a VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It's a powerful tool that enhances your online privacy and security. When you connect to the internet through a VPN, it creates a secure and encrypted tunnel between your device and the VPN server. This way, all your online activities are shielded from prying eyes and potential hackers. Not only that, but a VPN can also help you access content from anywhere. Now, let's talk about the top-notch VPN service with a range of impressive features, Surfshark VPN. One of the key features of Surfshark VPN is its strong commitment to security and privacy. It uses AES 256 GCM encryption, which is an advanced encryption standard, ensuring your data remains secure and private. Additionally, Surfshark has a strict no-logs policy, meaning it doesn't keep any records of your online activities, so you can browse the internet with peace of mind knowing your privacy is well protected. Using a VPN for beginners is super easy. Let me teach you how to install Surfshark VPN. First, go to the Surfshark website by clicking the link in the description. Once you're on their website, choose the subscription plan that best suits your needs. They may offer different plans with varying features and durations. After selecting your plan, create an account with Surfshark. This is like signing up for a service, and it will require you to provide some basic information. Once done, activate your Surfshark account. Now that your account is all set up, you need to get the Surfshark VPN app for your device or computer. Install the Surfshark VPN app on your device. Once the app is installed, open it up. Now comes the exciting part, connecting to the VPN. You can either choose a specific server location yourself, or you can use the Quick Connect feature to let Surfshark automatically find the best server for you. And voila! You're now connected to Surfshark VPN. That means your internet connection is now secured and encrypted, providing you with a safe and private browsing experience. Surfshark has a bunch of other cool features if you explore the app. Its Clean Web feature lets you enjoy a secure browsing experience by blocking malicious ads and avoiding malware-infected websites. And in case your VPN connection drops unexpectedly, the kill switch will instantly cut off your internet connection, preventing any data leaks. For added security, Surfshark offers the multi-hop feature, which connects you through 2 servers, doubling your protection. This is especially useful if you want an extra layer of security while browsing from your own country. However, for casual internet browsing, using a single VPN connection is sufficient, as the multi-hop feature may slightly impact your connection speed. What's good about this VPN is it allows unlimited device connections. You can secure all your devices and even browse extensions, no matter where you are. If you're into gaming and streaming, it has a vast server network of 3,200 plus servers across 100 countries, so you can bid farewell to lags and buffering. Now, if you're thinking Surfshark is a good VPN for beginners and anyone new to VPNs, absolutely. With its impressive features, cross-platform compatibility, excellent speeds, and robust security measures, Surfshark VPN is an excellent choice for anyone looking to secure their online activities and unlock a new level of internet freedom. Plus, it's one of the most affordable VPN providers on the market, and they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free and decide if it meets your expectations. And that's it for this Surfshark VPN tutorial for beginners. If you're interested in trying it out, check the links in the description for special offers and discounts. Like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and reviews. Until next time.